Hello and welcome to the third edition of this topic. In the first part, we understood what is limit of accuracy of an instrument, which is also called its least count. In the second part, we understood what is vernier caliper, its different parts and related terms. In this part, we are going to solve book numericals of vernier caliper. But before that, let's have a live example in which we are going to find out the diameter of this pen using vernier caliper. Let's start. But before that, let's see what are the different formulas to solve numerical of vernier caliper. For this live example, we need our pen and vernier caliper. In this vernier caliper, we have 10 divisions on the vernier scale, and one division of main scale is equal to 1 millimeter. So as you know that least count is equal to value of one main scale division, which is 1 millimeter, and total number of divisions on vernier scale. So this is our least count in millimeter, or 0.01 centimeter. Now if we see this instrument close by, you can see that the 0 of vernier scale coincides with the 0 of main scale. So this instrument has no zero error. Now let's put this pen in the outside jaws, because outside jaws is used to find out the external diameter of a circular or cylindrical object. I have fixed this here, and we'll also screw this. So this has fixed the vernier scale on the main scale. So let's find out first of all what is the measurement of main scale. So as you can see here, the zero mark of vernier scale is this one. This one is zero mark. If we see this, let me focus this. So you can see that this mark is the ninth one, this is the 1 mark, and before this 0 mark is this mark, and this is 8th mark. So our main scale reading is 8 millimeter. So let's write this 8 millimeter or 0.8 centimeter. Now let's see what is the vernier scale reading of our instrument. So here, if we see close by, let's find out the coinciding division. Which is the coinciding division here? Here, this one. This is the coinciding division. And what is this division? This is 7th division. So 7th division is the coinciding division here. So let's write the reading of vernier scale. So 7th division is coinciding. We will multiply this by the least count. So the answer is 0.07 centimeter. So therefore the total reading will be 0.8 centimeter plus 0.07 centimeter will give you 0.87 centimeter, the diameter of our pen. In book, we have two types of numericals of vernier caliper, one word problem, other figurative problem. First of all, let's solve word problems. Numerical number 1 we have here, a vernier caliper has its main scale graduated in millimeter. That means the value of one main scale division is 1 millimeter. And 19 divisions on main scale is equal to 20 divisions on vernier scale. Here this 20 is the total number of divisions on vernier scale. In measuring the diameter of a cylinder, the main scale reads 35 divisions, and this is the main scale reading. 35 divisions means 35 millimeter or 3.5 centimeter. And fourth division of vernier scale coincides with main scale division. Here we have to find out least count and radius of cylinder. So let's first of all solve least count. So what is least count here? Value of one main scale division upon total number of divisions on vernier scale. After cancelling, we will get 0.05 millimeter or 0.005 centimeter. Next we have to find out the radius of cylinder. For that we will calculate total reading, and for total reading first of all we will find out main scale reading, MSR. So what is main scale reading? I told you 35 divisions. What is 35 division on scale? It is 35 millimeter, and we can write this as 3.5 centimeter. And next we will find out vernier scale reading, VSR. And what is VSR? Coinciding division into least count. So what is coinciding division here? Coinciding division is fourth and least count is 0.005. So finally we will have 0.02 centimeters. And now the total reading is main scale reading plus vernier scale reading, and this will give 3.5 plus 0.02, and this is 3.52 centimeter. But this is the diameter of the cylinder because the lower jaws measures the diameter, and we have to find out radius. So we will divide this value by 2, and this will give radius of cylinder. So our answer is 1.76 centimeter. Let's see our next numerical. In the second numerical we have here a vernier caliper has its main scale graduated in millimeters. That means the value of one main scale division is 1 millimeter, and 9 division on main scale is equal to 10 divisions on vernier scale. That means the total number of divisions on vernier scale is 10. In measuring a length, the zero of vernier scale lies ahead of 1.5 centimeter mark, and this is our main scale reading. That means 1.5 centimeter is main scale reading, and 6 division of vernier scale coincide with the main scale division. When the two jaws are in contact, the zero of vernier scale lies ahead of 0 of main scale. That means it is on the right hand side of the 0 of main scale, and this is the positive zero error. And third division of vernier scale coincides with the main scale division. Here we have to find out least count, zero error and correct reading. So first of all let's find out least count. So what is least count? Value of one main scale division 1 millimeter, total number of divisions on vernier scale 10, so 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. Secondly, we have to find out zero error. So the formula of zero error is coinciding division into least count. So when coinciding division, when the two jaws are made in contact, so then we have third division was coinciding. So 3 into least count 0.01, and this will give 0.03 centimeter. Now the correct reading, before the correct reading we will find out main scale reading and vernier scale reading. So main scale reading is, as I told you, it is given 1.5 centimeter, and vernier scale reading is, formula is least count into coinciding division or coinciding division into least count. So what is coinciding division? Here when we were taking the measurement it was 6 division into least count 0.01, and this will give you 0.06 centimeter. So therefore the correct reading is main scale reading plus vernier scale reading minus 0 error. So what is main scale reading here? 1.5, vernier scale reading 0.06, 0 error 0.03, all are in centimeters. So finally here the answer is 1.53 centimeters. Let's see our next numerical. Our next type of problem is the figurative problem. Let's see what is given here. While taking a measurement of diameter of rod, the positions of scale is given below. We have to find out the diameter of rod. Here in this, the black one is the main scale and this blue one is the vernier scale. We have to be very sure and accurate in taking the measurement. First of all, we will find out the main scale reading, so MSR. In this we will see the 0 of vernier scale. Let's see, this one is 2.5 mark, this one is 2.6, this one is 2.7, and this one is 2.8. So 0 of vernier scale is ahead of 2.8 centimeter mark. Therefore the main scale reading is 2.8 centimeter. Now let's see what is the coinciding division here on the vernier scale. So here you can see that the fifth division is the coinciding division with the main scale. Now we will find out the least count. So least count is the value of one main scale division, that is 1 millimeter upon total number of divisions on vernier scale. So this will give you 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. Now we will find out the vernier scale reading, and this is coinciding division into least count. So coinciding division is 5, least count is 0.01, answer is 0.05 centimeter. So finally the diameter of here the rod is main scale reading plus vernier scale reading, and this will give you 2.8 plus 0.05. The answer is 2.85 centimeter. So here we have covered up all the numericals of vernier caliper. I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any query, write to me in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.